Assalamu alaikum. I am Jainal Abdin and my other crew members are Divya, Mansoor, Thayo and Liu Long. Today we are going to presenting about application 3D printing technology in the development of automotive industry. Contents uh, what is 3D printing, history of 3D printing, application of 3D printing, future of 3D printing in automotive industry. 3D printing. 3D printing, additive manufacturing is known as 3D printing, is a digital manufacturing technology that directly forms three-dimension complex structure by simply adding material layer by layer into two dimensions. It will have a profound impact on the traditional process, production line, factory model, and industrial chain combination. It is a representative distribution technology in manufacturing industry, integrating information network technology and vast material technology and digital manufacturing technology, and is an important part of advanced manufacturing industry. The essence of 3D printing is additive manufacturing technology supported by computer aided design, big data, cloud computing, computer aided manufacturing, Internet of Things, virtual reality, and other technologies. 3D objects are directly formed by digitalization or computer models by stacking them layer by layer. To put it simply, 3D printing is a technology that constructs objects by printing materials layer by layer with extremely thin thickness through computer modeling. History of 3D printing. In 1986, the birth of 3D printing machine in the United States opened the curtain of 3D of the development of 3D printing technology. And in 2010, the world first 3D printed car, a 6.1 model named RV, has been unveiled. In 2013, the first prototype RV2 was born with more than half of its parts 3D printed. And in 2014, the first 3D printed electric vehicle, the Strati, has just 40 parts and was printed in 44 hours. And in 2015, US company DM has created the world's first 3D printed sports car, the Blade, which uses 3D printed car parts and is then assembled by hands. Here is the picture of the 3D printed Blade car. And in 2016, 7 of the world's biggest car brands have been unveiled their latest designs as 3D printed concept of years in the market. XZV has designed the world first mass-produced 3D printed car, electric car, in 2019. Application of 3D printing. Distributed production, mass production of parts, production of spare parts, to make samples, print the whole car, print the whole car, to make samples. From design to final mass production to the research and the development of the car requires the production of a large number of samples. Before 3D printing, samples were produced by hand, CNC and other methods. So, and at present, a large number of samples in the research and development stage are made by 3D printing, and with the process of 3D technology, it advantages short production cycle, high precision, and low cost will be further highlighted. Production of spare parts. In the process of using a car, it is unavoidable that it will encounter faults and need maintenance. If a part is damaged in countries with better economics, it will usually replaced directly. Therefore, for as shops, car repair shops will have some spare parts. And on the other hand, it reduces the inventory pressure, and it saves the time of ordering parts of improves the maintenance efficiency. In future, parts warehouses are likely to be dominated by digital models printed the whole cars. Although there is still a certain distance from mass production, but in recent years a variety of 3D printed cars, electric vehicles are also many. At present, 3D printed technology can be used to print the chassis, frame, door, etc., and the chassis and the other parts of 3D printing can be integrated into multiple parts, which can not only reduce the assembly time but also improve the firmness. However, currently limited uh, by the print speed, do not have the ability to mass production. When the print speed increases to a certain stage, 3D printing volume production car is not impossible. Mass production of parts. 3D printed parts are directly used in production cars. Currently, most of the 3D printed parts are still used as test pieces. Uh, this is not to say that the quality of 3D printed parts is not good, and the printing speed mentioned above in the same. So, due to the small molding constraints of 3D printing, topologically optimized parts can be made, and often with complex geometry, lighter and better performance than the original parts. At present, manufacturers in the automotive industry are increasing their investment in the research and development of 3D printing technology, expecting to use 3D printing technology to mass production parts and bring better performance for cars. Distributed production. The auto industry is highly concentrated, with large number of parts shipped to factories and assembled into vehicles on assembly lines and then shipped around the world for sale. As a result, a lot of capacity is needed. 3D printing allows distributed production, 3D printing of chassis and various parts locally and then assembly. Of course, this is based on the aforementioned printing of the vehicle and mass production of parts. Future of 3D printing in automotive industry. Future direction of automotive industry. New energy, lightweight, intelligent and personalized. Change in automotive R&D and manufacturing. Redesign of car structure. Private custom manufacturing of complex components. Future 3D printing in automobile manufacturing. Shorten of R&D cycle. Reduce R&D costs. Powerful weapon for car, lightweight, personal design, parts supply. So, new energy. In 2019, the World New Energy Vehicle Conference um, was held in Wau, Hainan. The conference gathered global experts and elites to discuss new energy vehicle innovation, market, industrial transformation, and upgrading. In recent years, the production and sales of new energy vehicles are continued to grow, and pure electric vehicle account for more than 80% of new energy vehicle. Lightweight. In order to improve vehicle fuel efficiency, reduce carbon dioxide emission, countries around the world have formulated laws and regulation to promote environmental improvement. Intelligent. The intelligence of the automobile industry can be divided into two aspects: intelligent manufacturing and intelligent driving. Intelligent manufacturing is the development goal of the manufacturing industry, and the automotive industry is no exception. The car of the future may be like a car in a science fiction film, and we sit in the car, tell the destination, and the car will drive, deliver us automatically and safely. Personalized customization, lightweight, the charm, personality, and meets the individual needs of different consumers, which will not which will be one of the direction of the future automotive uh, development. Changes in automotive R&D and manufacturing. Redesign the car structure. Someone once imagined that the development of electric vehicle replaced traditional engine, and the entire vehicle structure had undergone major changes. Instead, vehicle communication, audio and video system, etc. are used. Manufacturing of complex components. The lightweight of automobiles can not only be achieved by using lightweight materials but also can achieve the purpose of reducing weight from the design of complex component. Private custom. One of the premises of ensuring the necessary functions, the appearance and individuals' need of automobiles are valued by consumers, and they are also a favorable weapon to compete for the market. Therefore, private customization is also one of the key directions of automobile manufacturing. Um, Shorten the R&D cycle and reduce the cost. The application of 3D printing in the future automotive research and development stage is not just the trial production of individual parts, but the research and the development of the structure and layout of the entire car. Mm, Powerful weapon for car lightweight. In the past, the lightweight of automobiles paid more attention to the selection of lightweight material, and it was difficult to push about the structure due to the limitation of production technology, and 3D printing technology broke the bottleneck. Personalization, personalized design. 3D printing doesn't require the traditional mold design and manufacturing process, but only need CAD CAD design graphics, so it can use not too high cost to meet the individual needs of different customers. This personalized design include models, card decorations, and so on. For example, this lovely card in the picture below, in the picture on the right side, will be loved by many beauty lovers. And parts supply. The supply of 3D printed parts is still one of the important development direction of the automotive industry in the future. Uh, what is different from the past is that after 3D printing technology matures, the types of the parts that 3D printing can provide will become more and more in the supply chain, especially the models that have been discontinued, and there may no longer be physical part shortage. Thank you for listening.